Hi, I'm Patrick Mitchtek with Cutler Sales, representing Royal Products. Today I'm out here at Syracuse Supply's open house in Buffalo. I wanted to show you a couple things inside of the Royal van. These are our Royal Quick Grip AccuLength collet chucks. Biggest benefit with Quick Grip is you can do a collet change and change your part diameter in 10 seconds. Simply grab the collet with the changing tool and slide it in and release, and you're good to go. You're going to have 2/10 repeatability, much faster change out than boring jaws on a 3-jaw chuck or an S-style collet pads. It's a lot shorter for added some rigidity. Just a great solution for holding your round parts in your lathe. With that, we also have some ID chucks if you want to hold on to the ID of your parts. And same system we do have for your milling machines. We have a manually actuated hydraulic chuck or a pneumatic actuated chuck for your mill as well. This is a Royal filter mist unit. With this, it's going to collect all the coolant mist in your machine tool, so it doesn't allow that to go out in your machine shop, and your guys don't have to breathe that in. It works just by a process we call centrifugal impactation. There's a drum inside that rotates, basically spins the coolant out of the air, and your dry air exits out of the top. We have a display of Royal's parts grippers, bar pullers. These are coolant activated ones, 15 psi coolant. You can pull a 200-pound bar, or these are just spring actuated ones. And then of course Royal started with centers, so we have several centers on display just to show some of the capabilities of Royal products. One of the beauties about having the Royal van is we can display one of these rotor racks. They're kind of hard to just bring into your shop without the van. But what this device is on a bar fed lathe. This allows you to collect your parts without them causing damage to one another. So if you have a part with some external features, such as some threads that you don't want to have damaged, this is a great way to collect those parts rather than dropping them into a bucket of oil or just having them roll into one another. The way it works is there's 3 inputs. We have a cycle time of the machine, how long we want the unit to stay on for, and then number of parts we're making. So it's just simply inputted at the control here, and it plugs into a standard 110 outlet. So this is just representing a very short cycle time, but the part will drop out from the bottom of the parts catcher, and it just collects them at the end of each cycle. And it's just going to collect the parts. Any excess coolant will drain out of the bottom of the conveyor back into the machine tool, and your parts are going to be collected onto the table in the order that they were produced. They'll just roll up into the center. It's really that simple. For more information, please reach out to the folks at Syracuse Supply, and they'll be happy to help you out.